The Finance Bill 2017 has inserted an explanation which effectively bars the tribunals and other authorities from examining the reasons for initiating a search and to adjudicate on the validity of the search. And this amendment seems to be out of tune with the principles of accountability. As we all know, the Indian Income Tax Act has sweeping powers which gives an officer the power and the authority to search any person and virtually anything related to a person. The only requirement of law is that there should be reasons to believe that there is unaccounted income or property based on the information available with him. The reasons to believe should be properly recorded in writing. Of course, there are stringent procedures internally in the department, including administrative approval of the senior-most officer, that is the Director General of Investigation. There is no reason to believe that the department is not being careful about while doing searches. However, whether the reasons for which the search action was initiated has to be tested in a court of law has been a matter of dispute. The Supreme Court has already ruled that the courts can examine the reasons which have been recorded for initiating a search action in order to see whether the search action was bona fide. Although it almost said that the reasons need not be given to the person searched. This amendment effectively takes away the opportunity of the taxpayer to make an appeal before the appellate authorities against the validity of the search action. This does not seem to be in tune with the principles of transparency. One can understand the secrecy that is required to be maintained during the search time, also perhaps during the assessment time, but during the appellate stage, when a lot of time has passed, there is no reason why the appellate authorities, particularly the tribunal, should not examine the reasons recorded to ensure that the search has been valid. This amendment that way seems to be out of tune with the principles of accountability and transparency, and I don't see any reason or any benefit which the revenue will get by this amendment, except to perhaps make the search action or the reasons for the search action to be away from the scrutiny. This does not make any sense in terms of principles of accountability. Thank you.